We shall try also to try and tell the change champion, the chief champion-in-chief himself, to try and tell most of his supporters to understand that we are for a good cause. And also from my side of 4 veterans, for Comrade Nyokaema Bunu and others, like the Nox Chivero and other comrades, to try and convince the nation that the struggle is won and we are working with them. In other words, what the people are doing is not bad. It's good. Why? Because sometimes you need to scrutinize and see whether what is happening around you is really genuine. We thank those people who do that, and we urge them and assure them that we are not traitors. We are serious people who are fighting the struggle with them. Who can be happy in this regime? The only one man who can be happy, can I be one? No. I don't think even what we are advocating for, to say civil servants must get $1,500 per month on the minimum, may be said by someone who is in the camp of the regime. No, let us reason, gentlemen. We are serious. We are working together. When we are in problems, let's learn to fight together in this struggle. This is what our founding fathers in the Chimrenga War did. The Mugabes of this world, the Nkomos of this world. They were doing those things. We may have a lot of things that we hate, which the Warakashis are doing today, but in areas where they were doing well, it's okay. We always state that they are doing well, like what they were doing during the war, to fight in unity, and how they were dealing with sellouts. This is what we are going to do with sellouts in this struggle. Let everybody know. We don't want to deal with these sellouts. You see how Chamisa was sold out in the past in all these elections. Some of his colleagues are in the parliament today. They've ditched him and left him. You know, we don't want such characters. Together forever we must fight, but not to say we are together when I'm cheating. That is not a correct way of living with other people. Even in a club, it's not allowed. If you find that I'm in this other camp, I allow you to do anything to my family or even to myself. I am not one of the regime side. If at all, we support now the comrades, what they are doing, and war veterans, what they are doing. We also support the idea of working together with Chamisa and Comrade Chiwenga. Comrade Chiwenga might not be willing to do that, but we shall kneel down and persuade him in order to accept what we ask him to do. Yes, we know that the king of Warakashis might want to jeopardize Comrade Chiwenga because of what we are doing to try and to talk about him each other time. We know that we are jeopardizing him, but it's very unfortunate. Even if he's jeopardized, we are going to act in the manner that Comrade Chiwenga acted during Mnangagwa's time in order to bring Chiwenga back. He brought Mnangagwa back from South Africa after he had skipped the border. We are going to bring back Chiwenga. We love him. His character is good. He is not one of the Ganandas. He did not steal. We have no record of him in the whole process of these gold mafias. He is a straightforward man. There's nothing that can stop us from working with him. But we may not work with all these Ugandandas. Never. Even the leader of the regime. Never. He has depleted his trust. We don't no longer trust him at all. This is Comrade Nyatsimba Mutota talking to the nation. We thank you for continuing and doing it very, very seriously. We thank the nation for that. Let's not go back in this struggle. Those who go back and those who oppose, You know, they are the opposition. We love them. We love the opposition. We shall treat them as our followers and treat them in the way, very good way, in opposite to what they are doing now to our people who are not getting input because they believe that they are the gods of this world when they are simply nothing. We thank you.